Who invented the electric typewriter? Have you ever wondered how the electric typewriter changed the way we write? This fascinating invention transformed typing and made life easier for many. The electric typewriter was first practically invented by James Field Smathers. Born in Texas in 1888, Smathers was a typist and accountant. He saw the need to speed up typing and reduce fatigue. In 1914, he developed the first practical power-operated typewriter. He secured a patent for his invention in 1913. Smathers' design used electric power to assist the typing mechanism. This made typing easier and faster compared to the manual typewriters of the time. The Northeast Electric Company of Rochester, New York, took on the production of Smathers' invention in the 1920s. However, it was not until around 1930 that the electromatic electric typewriter was introduced to the market. This model became part of International Business Machines Corporation's product line after they acquired the manufacturing firm in 1933. This marked the beginning of International Business Machines Corporation's office products division focused on electric typewriters. Smathers continued to work with International Business Machines Corporation as a consultant until his retirement in 1953. Before Smathers, Thomas Edison created an electrically operated typewriter as early as 1872. However, Edison's design was large and never made it to the market. The first practical manual typewriter was invented by Christopher Latham Sholes in the 1860s. Sholes even discussed the potential for electric operation with Edison, but it was Smathers who successfully brought the electric typewriter to practical use. In the context of the 1960s, electric typewriters became a symbol of modern consumerism and office technology. They represented a shift towards efficiency and convenience in everyday work life. This reflected the excitement of the decade for technological progress and improved productivity. Electric typewriters became staples in offices and homes, making typing less strenuous and more accessible. They fit perfectly with the spirit of innovation and modernization of the time. As the 1960s progressed, electric typewriters blended practicality with the thrill of new technology. They were part of a wave of consumer products that defined the lifestyle of the era. With their sleek designs and ease of use, electric typewriters changed how people approached writing and communication. They truly marked a new chapter in the world of typing and consumerism.